Hi student, in previous video we have discussed about the thermodynamic process, and in that process we have studied about the quasi-static process and non-quasi-static process. The quasi-static process is the process which occurs infinitely slowly. That means it is not possible in a finite time, it is possible for infinite time. And non-quasi-static process, it is occurs in a finite time, and quasi-static process is not possible, but non-quasi-static is possible. So in nature, the process in nature, all the processes are the non-quasi-static process. And also we have discussed about the work done during the different path, and we have already discussed this. Today we will learn our next article, that is heat added during the thermodynamic process. Heat added during thermodynamic process. Dear student, by adding the heat, the state of the thermodynamic system will be changed, or can be changed. And so for this explanation, we consider the ideal gas confined in a cylinder provided with a movable massless frictionless piston. Movable massless frictionless piston. Suppose we have to change the initial state of possess the volume Vi to final state possess the volume Vf. Number of ways to change this Vi to Vf, but in today we will discuss about the two ways. That is the first ways. That is when the gas cylinder, that is the heat supplied to the cylinder, then gas inside the cylinder absorb this heat, and so it is expanded in a controlled manner. In a controlled manner means it is the isothermally expanded. Isothermally means it is expanded at a constant temperature. It is expanded at a constant temperature, and so it finally occurs the final volume. Finally, which occurs the final volume at the same temperature. At the same temperature means before the expansion the temperature is 300 Kelvin, and after expansion it is also the 300 Kelvin. That means it is the isothermally expanded. It is the isothermally expanded. Okay, in second ways, the gas cylinder is divided into two compartments. First compartment is denoted by 1. Second compartment is denoted by 2. The volume of the first compartment is V1, and volume of the second compartment is V2, and the partition between two compartments, it is a thin and breakable partition. It is thin and breakable partition, and cylinder is surrounded by insulating material. Cylinder is surrounded by insulating material, and in case of this first, initially it is the initial, and this is final. Okay, initially the second compartment place the empty, and first compartment, that is ideal gas, the same amount of gas is filled in first compartment and possess the volume V1, and the second compartment place the empty, and no particle consists of the second compartment, or no any material particle matter. There is no any material particle. Okay, so in case of suppose suddenly the partition between two compartments is broken, so the gas is expanded uncontrolled manner. Gas is expanded in a uncontrolled manner, and so this gas is enter into the compartment V2. This gas is enter the compartment V2. Before enter this gas into the compartment V2, it is the empty. But after the expansion, so it is enter into the compartment V2. It is enter the compartment V2. And in that case, there is no work is done. That means there is no piston moves upward or downward, inside or outside. And so such a type of gas expansion are the free expansion. Such a type of gas expansion or the free expansion. For example, when the inflated balloon pinch, then the air inside the balloon expanded freely, or tire puncture, that is the air inside the tire is also expanded freely. This is all about the example of a free expansion. So in that case, ideal gas when freely expanded, and the temperature between two cylinder, that is it occupies the final volume, which is equal to sum of the individual volume, that is V equal to V1 plus V2, and it is the final state. So final volume is V. And therefore during the expansion there is no heat exchange between surrounding and system, because the cylinder is surrounded by the insulating material. So no heat enter or leave into it. So it is just like adiabatically expansion. And in that case, in first case, the Q is greater than 0. So W is greater than 0 because the volume is increases. So work is positive. But in case of this second case, that is Q equal to 0, no heat enter or leaves into it. So no work is done. So Q equal to 0, W equal to 0, and no heat enter or leaves through the system. So it is just like a adiabatically expansion. And therefore, in case of the expansion, we maintain the temperature is remain constant. That is initially same temperature. That is the same temperature as that of the first case. And so this is also the initial state and this final state. This initial state, final state is same as that in the second case. We get same initial and final state in the second case at the same temperature, but different ways. What? Different ways means this same initial and final state occurs by the different ways. By insulating the cylinder, by insulating the cylinder surrounded by the insulating material, but it is not surrounded by the insulating material. It is the isothermally expansion. It is the adiabatically expansion. Means the path is different. But initial state and final state remain constant. इसका जो हमने जो पाथ प्रोसेस की है, प्रोसीजर की है, वो डिफरेंट है, लेकिन इनिशियल और फाइनल स्टेट दोनों प्रोसेस में, दोनों वेज में क्या है, सेम है. इनिशियल स्टेट, फाइनल स्टेट. Initial state, final state is remain same. And so in case of in first case or in first path, Q is greater than 0, that is Q is positive. And in second path or in second phase, Q equal to 0, or for second path Q equal to 0, means heat changes when the path is changes. Heat changes when the path is changes. In case of the first case, the heat exchange between a system and surrounding, and in case of the second case, no heat exchange between system and surrounding, means the transfer of heat. What we draw the conclusion? Transfer of heat to the system. Transfer of heat to the system. Transfer of heat, it is required at the heat source. Transfer of heat to the system is depends upon path. Transfer of heat to the system is depends upon path. Work is also depends upon path. Is it work and heat are the same? No, work and heat are the distinct. work and heat are the distinct quantity. For occurs the work, there is no temperature difference occur, but for transformation of heat into the system or from the system, there is a temperature difference occur. That is the heat transfer between system and surrounding where the temperature difference occurs, and this is two ways by adding the heat during the thermodynamic process. Thank you so much, student.